Hello, thank you for your interest in starting an asset documentation service with Home Journal Business. I'm Fred with Innovative Software, and in this video segment I'll be providing an overview of our professional business software and the features available. The Home Journal Business Software Package is a Windows-based product that runs on a desktop, laptop, or tablet. It was built using current technologies with an enterprise-class database to provide the most reliable solution for your business. Once you start the program, you'll see a standard toolbar across the top with main functions. You also have the option to use the tile navigation simply by clicking the Show Tile Navigation option from the menu, or by clicking the small tile icon in the lower right-hand corner. You can easily save your preference by double-clicking on the window and making your decision. The software provides a complete set of tools you'll need to operate an asset documentation service business. In this video, I'll review the features that are included in the software to provide a basic understanding of the product. Please watch our other videos for more detailed demonstrations of the software features. First, you'll find that you can easily create a new client file by choosing the green New button or by selecting File, New File from the menu. Enter a unique name to identify the client along with a description, and then click the Add button to create the file. You also have the ability to create a new client file from a template, which can save a significant amount of time. Templates allow you to define a set of rooms and items which you can set up ahead of time, so you may copy all items set up in the template into a new client file. I'll discuss templates in more detail later in this video segment. Files can be easily opened, closed, or removed using the tile buttons or from the File menu. The file just created is automatically opened for use, but may easily be closed using the Close Tile button. Next, I'll select the Open button and open a file with some information already entered for the next demonstration. Next, I'll show the Inventory section of the application, which is designed to perform asset documentation for both homes and small businesses. Simply click the Inventory Tile button or select Inventory from the main menu and the inventory screen will be shown. For purposes of this video, I'll briefly go over the inventory screen since we'll have another video that will provide a detailed demonstration on how to capture an inventory. The inventory screen provides two views of the information using the selection buttons at the top, Location or Category. It is most common to keep the view by location, however there may be times when you find changing the view to category useful. The leftmost list box provides a list of your locations or categories depending on your selection. You can see the list of locations, or if you choose to view by category, the list of categories. I'll put the view back to location to continue the demonstration. The items list to the right lists all of the items which exist in the selected location. You simply click the location and the items list will refresh to show all the items. Next, you'll notice the detailed fields and images shown on the screen. You have general information, purchase, appraisal, warranty, estate planning, notes, and digital images. All of the detailed information shown is for the selected item in the items list, which in this case is for the bed in the master bedroom. You simply click the item and the detailed fields and images will be refreshed. New locations can easily be added by selecting the Modify Locations button, which will pop up a small window allowing you to add from a predefined list, or you may enter a custom name. Items are easily added by selecting the New Item button, which will pop up a small window where you can enter or select a unique name, enter its location, and click the Add button to add the item. Once an item has been added, you can enter all the details about the item, attach up to 6 digital images using the small Add buttons, and then save. Let's add a new item now to show you how it works. Select a bookcase, choose its category, click the Add button, and done. You'll notice that the bookcase item has been added. You're now able to enter all the descriptive details and images for that item. The buttons to the right are easily accessible to save, delete, exit, or create a report. The inventory screen also includes some nice additional features such as spell checking, custom description and notes formatting for fonts, colors, bullet lists, and numbered lists, item copy, and a load all pictures feature to attach all images at once. You can also see a larger image by clicking on any image. Please watch our other home inventory video for step-by-step instructions on how to use the home inventory features. Next, I'll show the purchase section of the application. The purchase screen allows you to capture detailed information about the home or small business purchase and includes the following sections: property, financial, real estate agent, and insurance. The information is optional, so you only need to enter the information that you have available. You also have the ability to attach images. This is a great place to include exterior pictures of the home or small business. The buttons to the right will allow you to easily save, exit, or create a report. Next up is the estate planning or heirs screen. You may access the heirs screen by clicking the blue heirs tile button. This section of the application allows you to add the client's relatives or friends along with their contact information, making them available to designate as an heir. The client is not required to assign an heir to inventory items. However, many will want to assign an heir for special or valuable items. The software also includes a special report which lists the inventory grouped by heir. This report makes a nice addition to the client reporting package. The buttons to the right allow you to easily manage the list of heirs using the Save, New, and Delete buttons. The list of heirs created on this screen will be available for assignment on the inventory screen. Another set of features available in the software are the home improvement journals. These journals are broken into 3 sections for interior, exterior, and mechanical improvements. In addition to asset documentation, these journals can be very useful if you notice that the client has made some major improvements to their home or business, such as a new kitchen, bath, roof, siding, or heating system. You can offer to document the details of those improvements so that a comprehensive report can be generated. This can provide the client with additional protection by detailing the costs associated with those recent improvements should they need to file an insurance claim. Each of the 3 home improvement journals works in a very similar way. For purposes of this video, I'll demonstrate the interior journal. The Interior Journal allows you to add locations which appear in the list to the left. New locations can be easily added by selecting the Rooms button below the list. Once you have a room, you select it to add the improvements. Notice across the top you have tabs for the various categories such as floor, wall, ceiling, window, wood, fixture, and miscellaneous. All you need to do is select the appropriate category, then add a new entry by clicking the New Type button. Once the new entry has been created, you can then add all the details in the General Information, Purchase, and Installation sections, along with any images you choose to add. You may then save the entry using the button to the right. In our example, we have some improvements to a dining room. You simply select the dining room from the rooms list, and you'll notice that we have an entry for new wood floors. If you click the Wall tab, you can also see the room was recently painted and wallpaper was added. The dining room also had some new wood trim added. The design of this screen is very flexible and allows you to add any improvements the client may feel are important. The exterior mechanics journals look and feel very similar to the interior journal, but do not have the additional categorizations across the top, which really only apply to the interior of the home. Again, use of these improvement journals is optional, but you may find them to be very useful, especially in high-end homes or those with recent improvements. Next, we'll move on to the document library. The document library is available from the View menu or by clicking the Documents tile. It is a simple but powerful tool that gives you the option to capture a variety of document formats such as PDF, Word, Excel, or image files for each client. You can easily organize documents into custom folders that you create. In this example, we have folders for appraisals, insurance information, and receipts. It is important to note that each client will have its own document library, so the information is isolated for each client. To use the document library, simply select a folder and then click the green plus button. In this example, we'll use the insurance folder. Click the green plus button to add a document. Type a descriptive name. And select the document file. Click the Add button. You can see that we just added a flood insurance document. The document library is a simple and effective way to organize your client's important document files if you choose to capture them. All you do is select the document and you'll be able to view it in the window. If you choose to remove a document, all you do is click the minus. The export feature is available to organize all of the client's documents into a folder. You may then copy to media such as a CD, DVD, or memory stick as part of your client package. You simply click the Export Documents button, choose a location, and all the documents will be nicely organized into a folder with meaningful names. Next, I'll demonstrate the Contacts screen, which is available from the View menu or by clicking Contacts on the tile navigation screen. The Contacts section is a great way to keep track of your contacts for prospective and current clients. you can easily organize your contacts by creating groups. For example, we already have 3 groups set up. One for potential clients, such as people that call you for more information. One for actual clients, and another for your business contacts, such as insurance agents, financial planners, or other partners. You're free to organize and create as many groups as you like. Once you select the appropriate group, a contact can easily be added by clicking the New button, entering the information, and then clicking the Save button. The tabs across the top may be selected to filter the contacts by last name starting with the selected letter. You'll also notice that there are several other buttons available. You can choose the Report button to get a listing of the contacts, print labels to generate address labels, and use the Estimate button to create an estimate or invoice. Let's take a closer look at the Advanced Estimating and Invoicing tool. I already have a prospect, Mr. Smith, selected, so let's just click the Estimate button. A window will be displayed showing the estimating tool for the selected contact. You'll notice that you have the option to provide estimates using any of the methods shown across the top: hourly, by square footage, or by room. The choice is up to you. Different business owners have a different preference on setting their rates. You simply enter some information about the property, such as the number of rooms, size, and if additional spaces are to be included, such as the attic, basement, or outbuilding. You may optionally enter any notes that you like and then click the Calculate button. A calculated total will be shown to the right. You then have the ability to make any adjustments up or down and add sales tax if applicable. Sometimes you'll adjust an estimate up or down just based on your gut feel and how much effort you think it will take to do the inventory. Here I'm adjusting a value because I feel the effort would be a little greater than normal. Click the Calculate button. Once you're satisfied with the total, you can then choose either the Create Estimate or Create Invoice button to create the actual document. Let's take a look by clicking the Create Estimate button. You can see that the document is quickly generated and it contains your company contact information, estimate, and notes. You can easily print and save the document using the options available on the toolbar. The Create Invoice works in the same way, but just shows a different title with some minor differences. Next, I'll provide an overview of the reporting features included. The Home Journal Business Software package includes a complete set of reports available from the Reports menu or by selecting a specific report from the tile navigation screen. You can see from the Reports menu a complete list of all reporting options available. Most of the reports you'll be creating are located in the Inventory Reports section, but you also have others available for home purchase information, contacts, and home improvements. You'll also notice that there is a menu item for color and footer options. I'll select it to demonstrate the options available. Here you can easily choose your font colors for the report title, subtitle, and footers, both left and right. This is a great place to brand the reports with your company name as well as the client's name or address. Simply make any changes you like and click OK. Next, I'll select the Inventory Reports option from the menu, which displays a new window with all the inventory reports available. This is where you'll create the key reports for your client reporting package. You can choose it from the menu or simply by choosing Inventory Reports from the tile navigation screen. Here you can see a list of standard reports available, which allows you to produce a complete reporting package for your client. Typically, you'll include the inventory sorted by location, inventory sorted by category, cover page, and summary reports. You also have the flexibility to decide if you would like to include some of the other reports, such as the inventory by heirs or bar graphs. You can also choose a standard title for a home inventory report by selecting the radio buttons, or you can choose a custom title. When choosing a custom title, you'll simply enter the title of your own in the space provided. I'll go into more detail and provide a complete demonstration showing how to generate reports in the reporting video segment, but wanted to briefly show a list of reports available as part of this overview. All of the reports can also easily be exported to a variety of formats such as PDF, Word, and Excel, and can also be scaled to fit any paper size. The software also handles international currency and will automatically work worldwide by using the currency settings that you have set up in Windows. The software also includes many time-saving features which allow you to complete an inventory as quickly as possible. One big time-saving feature is the ability to create and use templates. A template is simply a special type of file similar to a new file you create for a client that you set up in advance with common locations and items. For example, you may set up templates for various home sizes, such as one for an apartment, a small home, medium-sized home, and a large home or apartment. You then add locations and common items to each template and save it once it's completed. Let's take a look by clicking the New Template tile navigation button. Here you can see all the templates that have previously been set up. If you'd like to create a new template, you simply type a unique name into the selection list or choose a predefined value. Here we already have templates set up for purposes of this demonstration. Now that we have some templates set up in advance, you have the option to copy from one of the predefined templates when creating a new client file, which will save a great deal of time. Let's take a look. First, we'll click the New Client option. We'll create a new unique name for the client. And here we'll click the Copy from Template option and choose a template that we would like to use. In this case, I'll just choose the template apartment. Click Add. Now, when we go into the new file, Jones1, just created from the template, you'll see that a set of locations have automatically been added. And if you select a location, you'll notice that the items from the template have also been added for each of the locations. Let's take a look. Open the Jones file just created. This is a brand new file that we created from the apartment template. And you can see that common locations and items have already been added. These have simply been copied from the template. And this will save a great deal of time. All you need to do is add the details for the items. You can easily remove any items that you don't want from the template. And you can also copy items as well. Using templates will save a great deal of time, and you can customize these further as you gain experience and decide how to best set them up for your purposes. Next, I'll demonstrate a simple but powerful feature which allows you to copy an item. But first, I'll go back to the inventory screen. You simply select an item from the list. In this case, I'll choose chair. Click your right mouse button and choose the copy option. You'll be presented with a pop-up window where you can enter a unique name for the new item. You click Add and you'll see that the new copy has been placed in your items list. This feature can save a great deal of time when you have similar items. You just make any updates to the details and attach your images and you're done. Let's give it a try. Here you can see that Chair 2 has been added. It has all the same details as the original item chair, with the exception of the images. Images should be taken for each individual item to ensure accuracy. Another nice feature is called autocomplete. Autocomplete is built into many of the selection lists within the software to save you time. As you start typing one of the selection boxes, a short list of items you may want to choose will be displayed. You simply use your arrow keys or mouse to select the item. As you type more letters, the list gets shorter. I'll demonstrate by clicking the New Item button, which will show the New Item pop-up window. Start by typing the letter C. You can see a list of likely items shown. Next, I'll type the letter A, and you can see the list gets shorter. Then simply select the one you want using the arrow keys or mouse, and if none of the suggestions are what you want, you simply keep typing and enter any name you like. I'll further demonstrate by using the category selection, typing the letter F for furniture. You can see where this can save a great deal of time. Another nice time-saving feature is spell checking. Spell checking is very straightforward. When you see a red check button next to a notes or description field, you simply click the button to launch the spell checker. I'll demonstrate by first updating this item with some misspelled words. Click the spell check button. You can see that the spell checker tool opens and prompts you with suggestions where you can choose to easily correct the spelling mistakes. We also support some unique features such as custom text formatting, which allows you to customize fonts, colors, and create bullet lists for your description and notes fields. You simply click the right mouse button and you'll see the options available. The formatting you choose will carry over to print on the reports for a very professional client package. Let's change the color for this font. You can see where this will allow you to truly customize your reports. The software also includes a powerful feature which allows you to archive and restore a client's complete set of data and images. You start the Archive tool, select a client, and choose OK. All of the client's data will be placed into a folder which you can then copy to an external hard drive, CD, DVD, or flash drive. You can then restore that client's data to your computer or to a different computer with our software at a later time. Not only will this save space on your computer, but it provides flexibility if you have multiple people working within your company. One person could perform a client inventory, then if they want to make that client's data available to another employee, they can do an archive, store the data to a flash drive, external drive, or CD, and pass it to another employee who can then do a restore using that data. The entire system is designed to be both simple and flexible and makes it so you never need to worry about running out of space. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our Home Journal Business product. We welcome you to join our community of successful entrepreneurs who are offering asset documentation services using the Home Journal Business System. Please watch our other video segments for further details and feel free to contact us for any questions.